In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare stocks on Seeking Alpha. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left here, scroll down, and then here at the very bottom, it says comparisons. So just click on comparisons, and then from here, it says my comparisons, and you have Seeking Alpha comparisons as well. So you could go and, of course, compare these if you wanna, or you can click on create new comparison. And first, you basically have to type in the first symbol to compare, and you can compare up to 20 symbols, as you can see. So for example, if I type in Apple right now, it's going to find it. Oops, Apple like this. There we go. And if I go ahead and try Tesla as well, so it's going to be Tesla like this. There we go. I've added the second one, and you can just go ahead and basically add in whichever ones you want, just like this. There's going to be some related ones you can click on to actually add them. And then whenever you're ready, click on this compare button here at the bottom. And as you can see, there we go. That's how you can compare stocks on Seeking Alpha. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.